everybody. I'm just going to kind of go over the directions for your sight word page for today. Today we're going to be coloring this picture by the words, by the sight words. So I'm going to help you kind of fill in the code, and then I'm going to let you do the picture on your own. So you need to get this paper out. You need your crayons. You can get your name on the top when you get it. And then we'll go over the code and the words together. And then you can work on the picture on your own. All right. What is this first color word? Purple. So we're going to get out a purple crayon. If I can find my purple. We're going to color that crayon purple. And right here it tells us what word, what parts of the picture are going to be purple. What is that word that's going to be purple? S-E-E-C. So anytime we see the word see, we're going to color that part of the picture purple. Alright, what's this next color word on our code? The next one is orange. So let's get out an orange crayon and color this crayon orange. And now we know anytime we see this sight word on the picture, we're going to color that part of the picture orange. What is that sight word? L-I-K-E, like. Let's say it together. Like. So anytime you see the word like on the picture, you're going to color that orange. It's our next color word. Green. Get out a green. And let's color that crayon green. What word do you see right there beside green? Is. So anywhere you see the word is on our picture, you're going to color that part of the picture green. What is that word again? Is. Let's look down at the next crayon. What color word is that? Yellow. Let's color that crayon yellow. What word are we going to color yellow? At. At. Let's say that together. At. A-T, at. Anywhere you see the word at on your picture, you're going to color that part of the picture yellow. And our last crayon is what color? Blue. So let's get out a blue. Color that crayon blue. Now anywhere you see the word what? Go. G-O, go. Let's say that together. G-O, go. Anywhere on the picture you see the word go, you're going to color that part of the picture blue. Alright, so we've got our code ready. Anytime you see C, it's going to be purple. Like will be orange. Is will be green. At will be yellow. And go will be blue. So you're going to come over here to the picture, and anytime you see one of those words, like this background here has the word at. So I'm going to come over to my code, and it tells me that I'm going to color that yellow. So this whole background here with the word at will be yellow. And then you're going to keep going and checking your code and color the rest of the picture of Backpack Bear and his computer. I'll talk to you later.